Hello to all my new subscribers. Recently, my chicken wrap video just got 500,000 views somehow, and so many new people are subscribing to me. So I just want to say hello and thank you for subscribing, and looking forward to making new tutorials. Yeah, I'm super excited. So the number one question I get asked on like literally every single video is how I do the icing on these cakes. So if you didn't know, I'm doing 30 days of cakes, which is a challenge, that's for sure. And everyone's like, what is this icing liquid weird clay stuff that you're using to icing the cakes? And it's basically like a liquidized polymer clay. So if you don't know what polymer clay is, it's what I use to sculpt all of my clay items, and it's like an oven baked clay. So once I'm done like molding what I want, which in this case it's our little rainbow cake, I would put it in the oven, and then after that I would use liquidized polymer clay, which you're going to see here in just a second. And I added like regular polymer clay to this to make it thicker, so it looks like this cool icing texture. So like regular liquid polymer clay is a lot thinner than this, but yeah, so adding the clay, like add like a soft clay, like I would add like just a white Sculpey 3, because Sculpey 3 is like a weaker clay, and mix it together, and it looks like this beautiful icing. Look at this, look at how satisfying this is. It takes a while to mix it, so don't get like frustrated if like the regular clay is not mixing with the liquid polymer clay. Like it literally takes me 10 minutes to mix it into the perfect texture. But yeah, let me know what kind of tutorials you guys want to see. Thank you for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and look forward to more videos. And yeah, maybe I'll do like little art vlogs on this channel. Like I normally do it on my Meg's Designs Vlogs channel, but maybe I'll add some to this channel as well. So yeah, I like this video, and I'll talk to you guys soon.